Why does mid-century modern decor continue to captivate us decades after its peak? This timeless design style, born between the 1940s and 1960s, combines simplicity, elegance, and functionality. With clean lines and a seamless blend of natural and industrial materials, it's a perfect balance of beauty and practicality. Emerging in the post-war era, mid-century modern design responded to changing lifestyles, offering open, connected spaces that prioritized utility and beauty. Designers like Charles and Ray Eames, Florence Knoll, and Saarinen created iconic pieces that remain staples in modern homes today. This style's adaptability makes it perfect for any space, from compact apartments to large houses, blending nostalgia with modern functionality. As we dive into its defining elements and how to bring them into your home, you'll see why mid-century modern isn't just a trend, but a timeless choice. How did this mid-20th century movement become a cornerstone of modern design? Born in the optimism of the post-World War II era, mid-century modern style emphasized simplicity, functionality, and a deep connection to nature. Visionary designers like Charles and Ray Eames, Florence Knoll, and Saarinen revolutionized interiors with clean lines and innovative materials like molded plywood, fiberglass, and steel. Inspired by Scandinavian and Bauhaus movements, they rejected ornate styles in favor of practicality and harmony. Open floor plans, large windows, and sculptural furniture defined the suburban lifestyle, creating spaces that felt inviting and efficient. Iconic pieces like the Eames lounge chair and Saarinen's tulip table remain timeless examples of this philosophy. Key characteristics of mid-century modern design. What makes mid-century modern instantly recognizable? Its appeal lies in its clean lines, organic forms, and functionality. Furniture showcases sleek shapes and gentle curves, free from unnecessary ornamentation, creating a sense of order and calm. The use of tapered mixed materials is central. Natural woods blend with industrial elements like metal, glass, and plastic. A teak dining table paired with molded plastic chairs is a quintessential example of this innovative spirit. The color palette balances neutrals, like white and earth tones, with vibrant accents, such as mustard yellow, teal, and burnt orange, adding personality and warmth. Geometric patterns and atomic age motifs further enhance the style. By combining these elements, mid-century modern spaces feel both timeless and inviting. Mid-century modern furniture is more than functional, it's art. These pieces blend simplicity, innovation, and craftsmanship, creating enduring design staples. At the heart of this movement is functionality that never sacrifices beauty. One iconic example is the Eames lounge chair, combining a molded plywood frame with leather upholstery. Its ergonomic design is both comfortable and sophisticated. Another classic is the Noguchi coffee table. With its sculptural wooden base and organic glass top, exemplifying the fusion of form and function. Similarly, Saarinen's tulip table revolutionized dining spaces with its clean pedestal base. Mid-century furniture's versatility ensures it complements various interiors, transforming any space with timeless elegance. How do you bring a mid-century modern space to life? The secret lies in its color palettes and patterns, which strike the perfect balance between neutral tones and bold accents. Start with a neutral base. Walls in white, beige, or light gray create a clean canvas, allowing furniture and accessories to stand out. Add vibrancy with mud accent colors, like mustard yellow, teal, burnt orange, or olive green. These nature-inspired hues bring warmth and personality to the space. Use them in throw pillows, rugs, or upholstery for subtle yet impactful pops of color. Patterns are equally essential. Geometric designs, starbursts, and atomic age motifs add energy and playfulness to the decor. A geometric rug paired with solid colored furniture or patterned curtains against neutral walls creates a dynamic, layered effect. Lighting is the soul of mid-century modern decor, combining functionality with sculptural elegance. Fixtures like Sputnik chandeliers, with their radiating arms and spherical bulbs, bring drama and a retro-futuristic vibe to living or dining areas. For a more understated touch, arc floor lamps offer sweeping curves perfect for reading nooks or illuminating seating spaces. Table and desk lamps also play a key role. Designs with brass or wooden bases paired with simple shades add charm and authenticity. Placement is equally important. Mid-century modern emphasizes layered lighting by combining overhead fixtures with floor and table lamps for a balanced, warm ambiance. Natural light is another hallmark. Large windows and sheer curtains maximize daylight, connecting indoor spaces with the outdoors. Curious, what completes a mid-century modern space? Thoughtful accessories that bring warmth, texture, and personality. Start with textures. Natural fabrics like wool, cotton, and linen add softness and depth. A geometric rug or vibrant throw pillows in mustard yellow or teal can enhance the space without overwhelming it. Artwork is essential. Abstract and geometric pieces in mid-century colors make for striking gallery walls or standalone accents. Complement this with indoor plants, such as snake plants or fiddle leaf figs in ceramic or metal planters, emphasizing the style's connection to nature. Add charm with vintage finds, like ceramic vases, wooden bowls, or retro clocks. Small touches like stacked books on a teak sideboard or sculptural lamps tie the aesthetic together. These accessories blend character and mid-century authenticity, ensuring your space feels both stylish and personal. Çukturs, mid-century modern design works beautifully in every room when tailored to its function and personality. Living room. Anchor the space with a sleek sofa featuring tapered wooden legs paired with a Noguchi coffee table. Add a molded plastic or leather accent chair for style and seating. Complete the look with a geometric rug, colorful throw pillows, and a Sputnik chandelier or arc floor lamp for lighting. Dining room. A teak or walnut dining table paired with molded plastic or upholstered chairs creates a classic look. For added sophistication, consider a Saarinen tulip table. Enhance the ambiance with a mid-century inspired pendant light and a sleek sideboard for functional storage. Bedroom. Opt for a minimalist platform bed and bedside tables with tapered legs. Add a cozy area rug, abstract artwork, and bedside lamps with brass or ceramic bases to maintain the mid-century aesthetic. Office space. Use a slim profile desk in natural wood, complemented by an ergonomic chair. Open shelving keeps the space functional and organized. A vintage-style desk lamp completes the look while adding character. By applying these principles room by room, you can create a cohesive home that reflects the timeless charm of mid-century modern design. How has mid-century modern design stayed relevant in today's ever-changing world? Its adaptability is the key. By embracing its core principles of simplicity, functionality, and elegance, modern interpretations make this timeless style feel fresh and accessible. Open-concept living spaces with large windows and minimal partitions align seamlessly with mid-century modern's emphasis on clean lines and openness. These layouts cater to contemporary lifestyles, creating light-filled environments that feel both modern and grounded in history. smart home technology integrates effortlessly with mid-century pieces. A streamlined teak sideboard can house a modern entertainment system, blending vintage aesthetics with cutting-edge functionality. Think mid-century modern decor is out of reach? It's more affordable than you might think, thanks to a mix of thrifting, reproductions, and creativity. Thrift stores and vintage shops are treasure troves for authentic mid-century pieces. Look for furniture with clean lines, tapered legs, and natural wood finishes. Even if a piece needs refinishing or reupholstering, DIY projects can restore its charm affordably. Reproductions. From brands like IKEA and Target offer iconic mid-century designs at a fraction of the cost. While not originals, they capture the style's essence and make it accessible. Chakra. Why does mid-century modern continue to captivate us? Its timelessness lies in its perfect balance of form, function, and adaptability. This style's on clean lines and minimalist aesthetic fits seamlessly into any setting, from cozy apartments to sprawling homes. Its versatility allows it to complement a variety of decor styles without requiring a complete overhaul. Mid-century modern also resonates with Mayan modern values, such as sustainability. Built to last, these designs emphasize quality and longevity, making vintage pieces both eco-friendly and durable. For many, this design evokes nostalgia and optimism, reflecting a period where creativity and practicality flourished. Its simplicity feels refreshing in today's often cluttered and fast-paced world. Mid-century modern design isn't just a trend. It's a timeless way of living that combines elegance, simplicity, and functionality. From its post-war origin to its seamless adaptation in modern homes, this iconic style continues to inspire with its clean lines, vibrant accents, and connection to nature. You don't need to overhaul your home to embrace mid-century modern. Start small. Add a statement piece like an Eames chair. Incorporate bold throw pillows, or update your lighting with a Sputnik chandelier. These touches will gradually transform your space into a functional and stylish mid-century retreat. We hope this guide has inspired you to explore the beauty of mid-century modern decor. Share your favorite ideas in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our channel for more timeless design inspiration. Thank you for watching. Here's to creating your mid-century masterpiece.